Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another thrilling matchup here in Bukal, where the road to glory is paved with every single game. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and we are here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Live na live tayo ngayon dito para sa bakbakan ng UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. I am Jasper Abante and beside me is Christine Reyes. Kami po ang makakasama nyo dito sa isa na namang panapanabik na laro. Dito lamang yan sa Bukal Season 6.
Yes, Jasper. At ngayong hapon nga ito, ang Ateneo at ang UNC po wala pang panalo dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. Kasi kung maaalala po natin, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, natalo po sila against the ACLC Hawks. While on the other side, ito pong ating UNC Greyhounds, natalo din sa ating NCF Tigers. Kaya naman parehong team pong ito, uhaw na makuha ang kanilang unang panalo ngayong season at isa lamang sa kanilang dalawa ang makakakuha niyan ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya naman, abangan po ang ating maaksyong laban ng UNC Greyhounds at ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Bukal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga.
Alright din, so titingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng unang panalo and let's see kung kakayanin niya ng Ateneo and of course ng ating UNC Greyhounds kung kaya nilang makuha ang panalo nang hindi nagkakaroon ng extra time. O dahil kung maaalala natin na last Sunday, nagkaroon tayo ng overtime match. Well, ACLC ang kalaban nitong Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and nakuha ng panalo or nakuha ng ACLC Hawks ang panalo doon sa kanilang bakbakan.
Ayan nga, Jasper, dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, maganda yung performance na ipinakita nila. Kaya naman ngayon, kaabang-abang pa yung ipapakita nila para at least makita natin kung kaya na ba nilang makakuha ng kanilang unang panalo ngayong Season 6 ng Bukal. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Les. Hi Les, any updates?
The rivalry is fierce and the action is about to begin. This is the battle between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for another game day of Bukal Season 6 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. The match between the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. In this game, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights embody high spirit after their game last week with the ACLC Hawks. Now they are more motivated than ever, most especially because of the overflowing support of the Ateneo community, the prayer warriors of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. That's it for now. Back to you, Rick and team.
Alright, thank you so much Liz for that update. Para naman sa side ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, ayan, kahit sino naman din ay talagang ibibigay yung kanilang magandang performance, lalong-lalo na kung marami yung suporta at mga naniniwala sa ating team. Ayan, yun na nga ang pinakita ng Ateneo community dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Ngayon, sa kabilang team naman, meron tayong UNC Greyhounds. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain para bigyan tayo ng update. Alright, so Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, Jasper and Dean. We are back here at Ateneo de Naga University as we head on to the last and final battle for today's game. I am Adrias and I am your courtside reporter from the bench of the University of Neva Castilla for the Greyhounds Juniors Division.
Mr. Sean Agnes, jersey number 3, the team captain of the Greyhounds. At sabi niya, they have been practicing more on the plays they have. Nabanggit din ng kanilang head coach that he is expecting the players to play smart and be more careful inside the court. One of their goals for this game is to avoid turnovers as much as possible, since they have been committing the same mistake in their previous game. This is the Greyhounds ready to battle the Knights. Again, I am Rain Reyes, your courtside reporter on the bench of the University of Manila. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, handang-handa po ang ating UNC Greyhounds to bounce back against their loss with the NCF Junior Cubs. At ngayong hapon na po ito, magsisimula na po ang ating bakbakan ng Ateneo Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds. And now, it's the ball possession of the Golden Knights, jersey number 14. Now, offensive rebound ng Ateneo. And a good 2 points coming from jersey number 17 of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Pilapil.
Now, first blood for the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. We'll see kung anong ganti ang gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 24, that's good for that layup. 2 points para naman sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, mukhang itong dalawang kupunan na to talagang uhaw na makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. And here to see on that 2 points coming from jersey number 5 of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Yap. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, on the outside, goes to the inside. Now, well guarded by Claro, and a traveling violation ang itinawag dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Yan ay hatid sa atin ng Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Yes, now, the Golden Knights ramdam mo sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Talagang determinado silang makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. Now, jersey number 5 on the run. No good on that attempt.
Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 8 ang nagtawid ng bola. Now to 24 and 7 on the corner. Now, jersey number 21 looking for a good pass. And a good defense na pinapakita dito ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights with 7 seconds to shoot. And that's good for that basket.
Yes.
Let's see the replay here. Goes to the inside with that foul by jersey number 17 from the Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, napakaganda. Yung execution dyan ni Alano ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Jasper, hindi mo to na-feel nung naglaro itong ating UNC versus NCF. And now, you can really see that they are determined to get this first win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. At syempre, itong ating Golden Knights naman, uhaw din na makuha ang kanilang unang panalo for this elimination round. Now, ball possession of the Ateneo. That's 8 seconds violation by Yap. So, another turnover para dito sa ating Golden Knights.
Well, mabilis na kakaganti dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds sa mga puntos na pinapakawala ng ating Junior Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of them. On the corner, jersey number 7 passes to 24. And a good ball rotation here. Mid-range jumper. And that's good for jersey number 0 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Yes. Ngayon, buhay na buhay itong si Alano ng UNC. Now, jersey number 14, Solomon. 15 seconds to shoot. Now on the inside, drives. And we are tied again on 6-all. Sa first quarter pa lamang yan. Mainit-init na talaga agad itong labanan ng Greyhounds at Golden Knights.
Well, talaga namang napakainit ng suporta lagi ng ating Ateneo community sa lahat ng laro nitong ating Junior Golden Knights and of course ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, that's good for the 2 points hatid sa atin ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now, ito yung na-miss natin sa UNC Greyhounds. Yung determinasyon at yung magandang paglalaro nila. Now, on the other side, Golden Knights. Oh, whistle foul there. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, the Golden Knights now.
Same ball possession dito ng Junior Golden Knights. Now, on the under, no good. And a steal by jersey number 2. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. And napalakas yung pasa dun din. Out of bounds as the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights will take the ball possession.
Now, Golden Knights, 6'8". Dalawa lamang dito ang kanilang hinahabol. Jersey number 5 now. Claro. On the inside. With a foul. Chance for a three-point play for John Claro of the Golden Knights.
Deadlock tayo din sa 8 points dito sa ating 6-minute mark of the first quarter. Napakagandang performance ng ating both teams. Ayan, kita natin ang ating Ateneo community with their taas kamay for that free throw by Claro and offensive rebound. That's good for their third chance play.
Yes, courtesy of Pilapil ng ating Ateneo. Now, UNC's basketball. 10-8 on our scoreboard.
12 seconds to shoot for the UNC Greyhounds for that three. No good. And defensive rebound by the offensive rebound and a block and a whistle. Ayan.
Yan, napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan. 6 minutes and 2 seconds, 10-8 sa ating pungtalaan. At napakaganda nga po ng pagsisimula ng ating first quarter of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Napakaganda nung ipinapakita ng ating mga players. Para dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, andyan si Alano para pangunahan itong Team Greyhounds. Well, on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, lahat talaga gumagalaw para makakuha ng puntos dito. At meron na nga silang 2 puntos na kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, titingnan natin dito din kung ano yung gagawin ng both teams para i-maintain or i-sustain yung kanilang points dito para manatiling momentum dito sa ating first quarter. Well, first quarter pa lamang ito. Marami pang quarter ang susunod. We have still 3 quarters to go. Well, dito pa lang sa first quarter, napakaganda na ng pinapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito. Lalong-lalo na dun sa defense. Nangunguna dito ang Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights sa kanilang mahihigpit na depensa. Hindi basta-basta nakakapasok itong ating Greyhounds. Pero ganun rin ang ganti ng ating UNC Greyhounds, mahigpit na depensa para sa ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, yun nga yung maganda na sa simula pa lang talagang pinapakita na nitong dalawang kupunan natin na talagang hindi basta-basta yung paglalaro nila ngayong araw na ito. Now, back to the ballgame tayo. Jersey number 8 now passes on the inside. Now, jersey number 24 to Alano. Alano ngayon para dito kay 24. No good.
Napakaganda ng ball rotation dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Yun nga lang, inaubusan sila dito ng shot clock. Now, a steal by jersey number 0 of the Greyhounds. And napakabilis nagmamadali. Jersey number 0 with that 2 points.
Yes, at dahil dyan nga sa point ni Alano, we are tied again at 10 all dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Ateneo, 14 seconds to shoot.
There's a whistle here. Basket count with that bonus shot. Foul by jersey number 8 of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 8, Belano, checked in for the Junior Golden Knights. Couple substitutions here.
Now, Pilapil dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Chance for a 3-point play. 12-10. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining.
Yan din, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, Havaianas, HJP Pawn Shop, and of course, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Now, back to the ball game. Jersey number 8 on the run. Now, 10 seconds to shoot here. Going inside. Now, along to
No good, and 3. Now, ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 9 with the ball. Now, Belano goes to the inside. 14. Now, 15. Claro. That's good for that mid-range jumper. Napakaganda.
Long two para dito kay Claro. Now chance for the USC Greyhounds. 4-point lead out the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 8 back to 21. Now jersey number 17, Samorin, no good.
Now, Belano passes on that, no good. Jersey number 9 and out of bounds as the UNC Greyhounds will take the ball possession.
Now quick play lang tayo dito. Mabilisan para dito sa Golden Knights and Greyhounds. Now, Sarmiento checking in for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 17 to inbound for the Junior Greyhounds.
Samorin.
Now, on the corner, 18. Well, nahihirapang pumasok dito yung ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa loob ng kanilang front court dahil napakahigpit ng depensa dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. And a whistle here. Ball possession of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights here.
Now, Abiog to inbound.
Talagang mahigpit yung depensa dito din ng ating UNC, ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Kung kaya't yung attempts nitong UNC Greyhounds ay napapadalas yung kanilang 3 points attempt. Dahil hindi sila basta-basta nakakapasok dito sa front court.
Now,
A steal by jersey number 23. Nagmamadali. No good on that attempt.
now Golden Knights on the run. 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Abiog nakuha na ng bola. At didiretso dyan si Galano of the UNC Greyhounds.
Back-to-back steal by Galano. Napakaganda. And another steal for the Greyhounds. No good on that attempt. Offensive rebound. No good. Third chance opportunity for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, no good on that shot.
Ateneo nagmamadali dito. Now, a fast break. A good communication between the players of the Ateneo, between the Pentecostes and jersey number 39, Amador. Itong ating Golden Knights, rather.
Napakagandang team coordination dito ang pinapakita sa atin ng Junior Golden Knights. Now, for the 3, no good for the UNC Junior Greyhounds. And the same ball possession.
Now 7 seconds on the shot clock of the UNC Greyhounds. Now jersey number 17, Samorin to inbound. 7 seconds to shoot. Now, Galano. May hawak ng bola. And a 24 seconds violation. So that would be a turnover para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, ball possession, Belano, and the block here by jersey number 18 of the Junior Greyhounds. Ayan na nga at napatawag na dito ng timeout ang ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Ayan, sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 20 seconds dito sa ating first quarter, 4 na puntos ang kalabangan dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Titingnan natin kung paano nila i-maintain yung kanilang lamang dito kontra sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Titingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba ang kanilang momentum hanggang sa katapusan ng ating first quarter. And of course, titingnan din natin dito kung ano yung gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mabawi yung konting kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, at syempre madali lang naman yan dahil napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds compared doon sa performance nila nung kanilang unang laban. At ngayong hapon na nga itong ating dalawang pupunan na ito sino ang makakapag-uwi ng kanilang unang panalo. 16-14 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights, pero kanina pa natin sinasabi na bilog ang bola. Ang dami pang oras para gawin yung mga gusto nilang gawin dito inside the court, and of course, meron pa tayong second, third, and fourth, kaya naman hindi natin malaman kung sino nga talaga makakakuha ng kanilang unang panalo. Pero Jasper, shoutout muna natin itong mga live viewers natin sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout tayo kay Baduya Ort, kay Richard Scott Manalo, kay Lois Papa, kay Maui, kay Chen Nicolas, kay Trisha Menes, at kay Shannon Garchi Torena. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkakabay.
Well, napakaganda nga nakita natin at 3 points atin sa atin ni jersey number 9 from the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights.
Yes. Pentecostes with a 3-point shot now. UNC Greyhounds on the run. 13 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 29 going inside. Wrong pass.
Defensive rebound of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 12 looking for a good pass here. Now, Belano on the inside, well guarded ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, a whistle here. Same ball possession of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 18 with that foul.
Now, appealed to inbound para sa side ng Golden Knights. Now, passes to jersey number 12 with a foul. Now, a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Sarmiento.
Napakagandang play ang pinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Mukhang magtutuloy-tuloy ang kanilang momentum dito sa ating first quarter. At nasa penalty situation na nga tayo dito, 10 sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Titingnan natin kung maibababa pa nila ang kalamangan ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights dito sa natitirang 1 minute and 30 seconds ng ating first quarter. And that's good for the 3-point play opportunity for the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. 23 on the outside. Now 18. Ball rotation here. 8 seconds to shoot for the Greyhounds. Now 18. Tries to go to the inside. 3 seconds and the whistle here. Ayan, na-convert nga nila yung kanilang ball rotation doon to points. Now, 2 points play opportunity for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Menes on the free throw line. 22-14, 8-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. A minute and 12 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now, another attempt sa free throw line. Itong si Menes ng UNC Greyhounds. That's good.
Now, jersey number 0 checked in for the UNC Greyhounds. Ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 12 passes to jersey number 6. Goes to the inside. Nagmamadali with no hesitation on that 2-point shot. And that's good for the Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, lusot doon sa dalawang players itong ating Greyhounds. Now, chance for the Greyhounds to convert a point, but that will be a traveling violation committed by jersey number 29 of the UNC Greyhounds na si Ablasa.
Alright then, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Now, ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights of Yoke to inbound.
Now, Junior Golden Knights, jersey number 12 with the ball. Jersey number 6 on the inside, back to the outside, tries for the 3, and that's good for the 3 points. Back-to-back points ang hinatid sa atin ni jersey number 12 of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. 34 seconds remaining sa ating game clock with them leading 11 points kontra dito sa ating UNC Junior Greyhounds. Yes. Napakaganda din ng aksyon dito sa ating Bukal Season 6.
Yes, napakagandang tres galing kay Sarmiento. Now, on the inside, that will be an offensive foul. Foul dito kay Sarmiento. Last 28 seconds of our first quarter, still leading itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But this time, UNC's basketball.
Now, UNC Junior Greyhounds with 12 seconds to shoot and a steal by the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, patay na ang shot clock natin dito. Now, jersey number 6 on the corner, looking for a good pass here. Now, jersey number 12 ulit. No hesitation and a pass here for jersey number 39. Napakagandang good team coordination and yun ang atin. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Talaga namang napakaganda ng huling action na hinatid sa atin. Dito ang Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Akalain mo yon ay hindi siya nagdalawang isip na ipasa yung bola at talaga namang sinecure nila yung kanilang shot with that 2 points and dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Dyan lamang po kayo, tutok po kayo sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter.
And we are back for the second quarter of the matchup. The Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Jasper, napakaganda nung naging first quarter natin dito sa dalawang kuponan na ito. 29-16 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And with that last sequence coming from Amador, mas napalaki na nga yung kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, let's see what will happen between these two teams. Well, magkakaroon ba tayo ng change of momentum dito? Or the Ateneo Golden Knights will stick with that leading point? Pero yun nga, the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds and they have the chance here to lessen the gap of the Golden Knights.
Out of bounds there din, napakaigpit ng depensa dito sa pagsisimula ng ating second quarter na ang pinapakita agad ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 8 on the outside. Ball rotation na naman dito sa ating outside of or the beyond the arc now. Yun na nga at naubusan sila dito ng shot clock. 24-second shot clock violation for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Abiog to inbound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 29-16 para sa simula po ng ating second quarter. Now, Abiog passes now to Amador, loses the ball. Now, steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Didiretso sa loob. Moments of foul. So, jersey number 17, Samorin.
2 points opportunity for the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 17 standing on the free throw line. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo din dito sa ating Facebook live viewers. We have Janice Baong, JR Dacoro, We have May Quintana, Marites Go, Carlo Madrigal, John Lloyd Espela, and Bertie James. Ayan, happy viewing po and salamat sa patuloy na pagtutok dito sa ating Bukal Facebook Live.
Now, 29-17, ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14. Now, passes to the UNC Greyhounds. Galano, may hawak ngayon ng bola. 12 seconds to shoot. On their side. Now, passes to Alano. Alano to Galano. Alano ngayon, papasok sa loob. Tries to go inside. And that's it. Nakapasok pa yung shot na yon from the UNC Greyhounds. So para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's hear it from our report side reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain. Any updates?
Hello, Jasper and Dean. An intense match, Mimi. Call it dahil parehong unahay desididong manalo. During huddle, coach told them to be aware where and when to pass the ball. Be safe in making decisions in the hard court and always think it through. Fix your offense and positions double time in order for your play to be effective. Stand your ground as he ended his statement. In the first quarter, the Greyhounds lost to a 13-point lead against the Golden Knights. With the next quarter already starting, they will surely improve and catch up to the opponent. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update. Para naman sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, well, they need to keep their feet on the ground dito sa ating laban, dito sa ating second quarter para mabawi ang momentum na sinimula ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now for the three, no good.
Now Ateneo's basketball 30-19, 11-point lead of the Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14 for the fadeaway shot, no good. The ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds and still on the lead itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At para makikita yun ang update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from the Silas. Anong balita natin dyan?
Last week's game may not be the best game for the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, but they are come back fiercer and stronger. By the end of the first quarter, Neil Pelamin and James Sarmiento were on fire, lining up the scoreboard whenever they got into, giving the team 6 points for the last quarter. Meanwhile, the Junior Golden Knights showing their prowess in the hard court, making them lead the first quarter. On the other hand, the co-head coach of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights commended the efforts of the Knights as it is the defense that won the hard court. Their bench that was unsettled, definitely one of the team's lead this season. That's it for the latest happenings here at the court side. This is Tizino Bala reporting from the bench of the Women's Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz. At ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights nga ngayong gabing ito, handang-handa na talagang makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. At now, patuloy lang ang pag-arangkada ng puntos ng ating Junior Golden Knights. Now, UNC Alano tries, and good point para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Napakagandang aksyon ng ating dalawang teams dito with 10 points lead of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Well, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. And that's good for the 2 points by jersey number 17 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Ateneo didiretso dito. Claro. That's good. Now, 10-point lead. Ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, UNC Galano. Passes to Alano now on the corner. Tries for 3. No good. Now, Ateneo secured that rebound. But a whistle foul.
Substitutions here. Jersey number 2 checked in for the Junior Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights here. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating game clock with a 10-point lead holding by the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 12 passes to 14 on the outside. Fake for the 3. Now, Claro on the inside. Libre. That's good for Claro. 2 points for the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now,
back-to-back points coming from Claro. Golden Knights at this point. 15 seconds to shoot. Now, jersey number 21 passes on the corner. Back to jersey number 21, Lumanog. Now, papasok sa loob.
nagkabuli na dito ng bola. Nakuha yan ng Ateneo Dinaga, and that's good for that steal. Napakagandang layup ang hatid sa atin ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, napakagandang communication between Bautista and Briones ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds to have that kind of play? Now, jersey number 16 handing the ball now for the UNC.
A whistle here. Jersey number 17 with that pushing foul. And same ball possession for the UNC Greyhounds. Ayun na nga, na tumawag na sila dito ng timeout. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa ating second quarter, since lamang pa rin ang ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights, and tumaas na nga or lumobo na nga yung kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter sa 14 points. And we'll see kung ano yung gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds para maibaba yung kalamangan or mas lumamang pa or mas mag-momentum sila dito sa ating second quarter. Well, baka mamaya we can see a change of momentum here, Tin. Well, may natitira pa tayong third and fourth quarter sa ating ball game.
At ayan nga, Jasper, doon sa ating pagsimula ng second quarter, medyo malapit na sana itong puntos ng ating UNC Greyhounds, pero napabayaan nila at napakaganda ng communication nito mga players ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, kung saan ito nga yung tumulong sa kanila para makuha itong napakalaking kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, ano pa yung gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds to lessen that gap against the Ateneo Golden Knights? Now it's 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. 39-25 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan, Tin, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining ng ating second quarter. Ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors, our major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elise Sportwear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa bagong season ng Bukal.
And now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. 14 seconds to shoot for the side of the UNC. Now, jersey number 21, Lumanog, passes to jersey number 16.
3 seconds to shoot dito for the UNC Greyhounds, and ayun na nga, Tin, naubusan na naman sila dito ng shot clock. Another shot clock violation for the UNC Greyhounds.
Yes, ang daming opportunity na nawawala dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan yan. Because at this point, we're halfway through our second quarter. Now, ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nagkakainito na dito between jersey number 21, Lumanog, and jersey number 17 of the Ateneo Golden Knights, na si Pilapil.
Double foul tayo dito for jersey number 17 of the Junior Golden Knights and jersey number 21 of the UNC Junior Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Now, ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Ateneo Sarmiento may hawak ngayon ng bola. 16 seconds to shoot. Loses the ball. So, a turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Jersey number 0 to inbound. Now, jersey number 23 nagtawid ng bola. 21 on the outside with 15 seconds to shoot. Tries for the 3, and that's good! Napakagandang ganti ng ating UNC Junior Greyhounds dito sa ating second quarter.
Yes, a good three-point shot coming from Galano ng Greyhounds. Now, Ateneo. Now, a whistle foul there. Amador. 2 shots. Will be on the free throw line. Nasa penalty na nga itong ating UNC Greyhounds. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Ayan, Tin, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, ang ating Bukal coverage is powered by Converge FiberX and of course Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa ating liga.
Now, nagkakagulo dito. Nagkakagawa ng bola. UNC steal that ball. And a good point para dito kay jersey number 18, Menes. Now, Amador again, getting a point for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter with the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights leading by 11 points. Now, a steal here by, nagkaagawan na nga dito ng bola.
Points nga ang hinahabol ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Exact 4 minutes left para sa ating second quarter.
Both teams are in penalty situation na dito 10 sa ating second quarter. Jersey number 39 standing on the free throw line for that 2 free throws.
Now, Amador on the free throw line here. 4 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. That's good. First free throw para dito kay Amador. He will try again for the second time. (42-30). Now, Amador.
Ateneo with that taas kamay. And that's good for Amador, jersey number 39 on the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, one possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Galano. 16 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good. The ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Natapik dito ni jersey number 23 yung bola bago makalabas sa ating baseline. And well, same ball possession tries for the 3. No good for jersey number 9.
Now, steal from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nagmamadali dito. Now, Amador passes jersey number 5 on the outside. 13 seconds to shoot. And that's a good 3-pointer coming from jersey number 3 of the Ateneo Golden Knights, courtesy of jersey number 3.
Napakagandang 3 points. And ayan, tingnan natin dito, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds and a steal by jersey number 5, nagmamadali. Now, jersey number 12 on the outside, jersey number 2. No good on that 3-point attempt and a follow-up. A second chance opportunity. Second chance play for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. That's good for 2 points.
Yes, mas lumalaki na nga yung kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito. 48-30. An 18-point lead on the Golden Knights. Now Galano tries for 3. Still no good.
Now, jersey number 12 goes to the inside. Now, jersey number 5, no good on that assist by jersey number 12.
Now 18 seconds to shoot. A whistle foul there. Both teams are now on the penalty. And Jasper, shoutout muna tayo sa ating live viewers. Shoutout dito kay John Narvaez, kay Jersey Maranyo, kay Bertie James, at kay Lizelle Inigo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Nandyan rin ang ating Consi Kylie Tripulca, Ellie Quintana, Justin Barsha, JR Dacoro, and of course, Roel Tud. Salamat po sa inyong panonood.
Now, jersey number 21, Lumanog, for his second attempt of on the free throw line. 48-30. So good. Para doon sa dalawang free throw ni Lumanog. Now, Ateneo, steal from the UNC Greyhounds. Now, ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Alano to inbound. Now, Alano passes to Galano. Jersey number 2.
Now, 23. 16 seconds to shoot. Now, jersey number 8 on the outside. Tries to go to the inside. 8 seconds to shoot. And the mid-range jumper, no good.
Yan, nahihirapan pa rin itong ating UNC Greyhounds para makakonvert ng point. But now, didiretso dito ang ating Ateneo. No good on that attempt of Abiog. Nagmamadali dito.
Well, napapansin ko din kailangan ditong daanin ng ating UNC Greyhounds sa kanilang speed and agility itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights para hindi makapag-form ng depensa itong ating Junior Golden Knights sa kanilang frontcourt and para naman na masecure nila yung kanilang shot with the points now. No good on that attempt by jersey number 9 and steal by the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Galano on the run. Pushing inside. That's good for a mid-range jumper of Galano. Last 58 seconds of our first half. Abiog passes now.
Ngayon ay nakakapasok na itong ating UNC Greyhounds sa kanilang frontcourt. Well, kanina napakahigpit ng depensa kung kaya naman na lahat ng kanilang attempts ay nasa 3 points line and that's good for that back-to-back points ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Napakagandang 2 points.
Yes, coming from Galano, back-to-back points coming from him, 48-34. Last 40 seconds of our first half, ito yung kailangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And kailangan nilang mapanatili yung momentum doon sa sunod-sunod nilang pagpuntos dahil nga itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, nasa kanila pa rin ang kalamangan. Kaya shoutout din tayo dito sa mga taga-suporta ng Ateneo Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds na andito po sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtantabay. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Max Stephen Isuga, kay Bertie James at kay Ethan Sevilla. Nagpapashoutout kay Mark Benedict Bagasbas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtantabay.
Siyempre, tinandyan din si Hailey Diwata, Ishi Madrigal, John Narvaez, and Abe Egipto. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay at pagtutok dito sa ating live coverage. Now, 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter with the Ateneo Dinaga University Junior Golden Knights leading by a big margin kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, no good on that 3-point attempt.
Now, UNC Greyhounds on the run. Alano. Blocked by the Golden Knights. Galano again with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pushing inside. Napakaganda nun. Ang daming bantay. But Galano really go inside and get that point. Last 8 seconds of our first half. Ateneo on the run now. Claro, no good. Now, Greyhounds.
At dyan natin nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. Napakagandang last action ang initid sa atin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating second quarter with the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights leading by a big margin kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. 12 points lead ng ating Junior Golden Knights. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Ayan din, at nagbabalik na nga tayo dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second half. Ayan, tingnan natin dito ang replay natin on that highlights by jersey number 23 sa ating second quarter. Now, napakagandang Eurostep ang ginawa dito ni jersey number 23. Akalain mo yung tin, 4 yung bantay niya sa loob. Well, 3 nga pala. Pero nagawa niya nga ipasok yung bola. Now, moving on dito sa ating second half.
And you know what, Jasper, itong si jersey number 23, si Galano, simula first quarter pa lamang, isa talaga siya sa mga nagbibigay ng puntos dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. But at this point, 48-36, in favor pa rin po yan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At nagsimula na nga po ang ating third quarter dito. And now, aabangan natin kung patuloy ba yung pag-arangkada nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, we have our courtside reporter, Les Hiles. Update natin dyan.
The style of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights for the past 2 quarters was fast and furious, leaving the opponents breathless. Now they are leading by a big point margin. The Golden Knights are determined to strive harder and strengthen their defensive and offensive rhythm. Now that they dominated the first half of the game, they are all set to show spectacular play for the third quarter. Coach Gab reminded the Knights to break the curse and urged the Knights to give their 100% best for the second half of the game. That's it for the latest updates here at the courtside. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update para naman sa side ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Well, yun na nga ang kailangan nilang i-maintain dito sa ating second half para manatili yung kanilang momentum or manatili yung momentum sa kanilang team. Ngayon, kitang-kita naman natin na maganda yung pinapakitang performance nitong UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating second half. And yun na nga, sa nakita nating aksyon, may whistle and 2 free throws ang igagawad kay jersey number 8 of the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon naman, para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tina and Jasper. Know your positions at ibigay ang commitment habang naglalaro. Yan ang paalala ni Coach on your half second quarter timeout. Reminders on being aggressive and removing the fear in making moves was told to the players. Dahil ayon sa kanya kung sino ang matapang siya ang magwawagi. But of course, at the same time, by doing it in the right way, the Greyhounds should always remember this reminders in order for them to have the right momentum and to be able to catch up with the defense. Coach has been telling them to respond to his instruction, but still with this second quarter and still in favor of the Knights. Abangan natin kung paano mapapagin ng experience at ang ginagawa Rapid Sports Liga ng mga Pagyo. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan ka ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Handang-handang bawiin ang momentum sa ating Golden Knights pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Because as we can see, 48-41 na ibaba na nga po sa 7 ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and the UNC Greyhounds is now ready to get on the momentum para sa ating third quarter. Now ball possession of the Greyhounds, and that's it. Naipaba muli ng Greyhounds ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights with that shot coming from Comprado. Lima na lamang nahabol dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now ball possession. A steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Diretso sa loob. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Claro, defending that ball.
Now, napakagandang back-to-back ball possession dito ng UNC Greyhounds with the whistle here. And 2 free throws ang igagawad sa ating jersey number 17 of the Junior Golden Knights. Napakagandang steal ang pinakita doon ng UNC Greyhounds, pero hindi pumasok yung kanilang 3 chance or the third chance opportunity nila doon sa ating uling aksyon.
Now Pilapiel, no good on that first attempt on the free throw line. 48-43, 5-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Pilapiel again to try one more time. Sa free throw line, that's good. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Alano to inbound.
Jersey number 17 checked in for the UNC Greyhounds. Now
Galano. 20 seconds to shoot here. Galano passes on the corner, blocked by the Ateneo. Now they're running with the ball here. 18 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14.
Napakagandang block doon by jersey number 9. And offensive foul here for jersey number 8, Belano of the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Belano to inbound for the side of the Golden Knights. Belano passes to jersey number 14. 9 seconds to shoot here. Belano. Diretso sa loob. Uses the ball. But same ball lamang po yan. 5 seconds to shoot para sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, uses the ball. And an opportunity para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Abyog checking in dito sa ating Ateneo side.
And of course, jersey number 2 also checked in for the Junior Golden Knights. Now, UNC basketball.
Galano. Passes now. 15 seconds, fadeaway shot. No good. And a steal from the UNC, pero hindi pa nagawa ng paraan yan. Struggling dito. Another steal. Galano on the inside.
Libreng-libre, Galano. Ayan, with the replay. With that steal and Galano libreng-libre dito sa ating front court. Napakagandang layup. Two-hands layup by Galano.
Yes, kanina pa to si Galano. Talagang outstanding yung kanyang performance dito para sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. At ito talaga yung kailangan natin para sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mabawasan yung kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And as you can see, 4 na lamang hinahabol dito ng Greyhounds. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Napakabilis ng oras natin ngayon, kaya wala dapat nasayangin itong ating dalawang kupunan. Bawal maging complacent dahil nga kung kanina napakalaki ng kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, ngayon naibaba na lamang po sa 4 ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And let's see, baka malamangan pa ito ng ating UNC Greyhounds as we continue this third quarter of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds.
Yan, titingnan natin din kung ano ang mga mangyayari dito sa ating 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining ng ating third quarter. Kayang-kaya pa yan na itaas ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Itaas yung kanilang kalamangan kontra din sa ating Greyhounds. Well, kaya din ng Greyhounds na bawiin yung kalamangan at sila naman yung momento dito sa ating ball game. Now, ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights. With a steal here and the whistle. Same ball possession of the UNC Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 17 with that blocking foul.
Now, UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 8 to inbound, Comprado. Now, Galano. Hawak ngayon ng bola. Alano passes to Galano ngayon. Tries. No good. Offensive rebound on the UNC Greyhounds. Now on the run. 9 seconds to shoot. Another chance. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
No good on that third chance ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Junior Golden Knights. No good on that attempt. And ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, napakagandang depensa ang pinapakita dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights, kung kaya naman hindi basta-basta nakakapasok yung mga attempts nitong UNC Greyhounds. Now, with the whistle here, same ball possession.
Now, hindi na dapat to mawala itong opportunity na to sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 17, passes now to Galano. 12 seconds to shoot. Galano ngayon, passes to Reyes. 5 seconds. Galano going inside. Sayang.
Now, jersey number 5.
Now, Ateneo, Abiog. Pass now to jersey number 5. Still no good.
Defensive rebound of the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Now, Galano again. Passes to jersey number 0. Goes to the inside. Jersey 17 on the corner. No good on that attempt. And the offensive rebound again. No good on that second attempt. And the whistle foul here.
Yes. You know what, Jasper? Ang daming opportunity. Napakaganda ng mga nakakuhang oportunidad nitong ating UNC Greyhounds pero hindi lang nila na-execute ng tama. And at this point, kailangan na nila magawa ng paraan yan. Because we're stuck at 49-45 dito sa ating third quarter.
Well, isa na dyan din yung magandang depensa na pinapakita ng kanilang koponan, which is the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Kung kaya naman ay hindi basta-basta nakakapasok yung kanilang mga opportunities or yung mga attempts nila dito. Same as well dito sa ating side ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Hindi rin basta-basta nakakapasok yung kanilang attempts. And yun nga lang ay nagkaroon tayo dito ng foul na nagbibigay kay Claro ng 2 free throws. Well, let's see kung maiaangat nila dito ang Kalamangan. Ayun na nga. At naiangat na nila ang Kalamangan sa 5. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating game clock with that second attempt by Claro. And that's good for that second attempt. The Ateneo is now leading by 6 points kontra dito sa ating UNC Junior Greyhounds. Now, out of bounds as the Junior Golden Knights will take the ball possession.
Now, Abiog for the Golden Knights. A steal. Pero stepping on the line na itong ating Greyhounds. Another opportunity loss. Golden Knights have a chance here to widen the gap again against the UNC Greyhounds. Now jersey number 14 to inbound.
Now, jersey number 5. 14 on the outside with 15 seconds to shoot on the corner. That's good for the 3 points by jersey number 2 of the Junior Golden Knights. Napakagandang corner shot.
Yes, coming from Bautista of the Golden Knights. Now UNC Greyhounds still struggling here. Hindi pa rin nakabawi. With a good communication between the players, talagang makaka-execute ka ng magandang play. And the Ateneo Golden Knights proving that this evening. 15 seconds to shoot on the part of the Ateneo. Now, tries again for 3. No good this time. UNC's basketball.
Defensive rebound of the UNC Greyhounds. And that whistle here, a foul here by jersey number 29. Warning for a penalty situation na dito ang UNC Greyhounds after their 4 fouls. 4 team fouls. Now ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 2 with the ball. Passes to jersey number 5. Back to jersey number 2 on the corner. And a steal by the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 29 nagmamadali and out of bounds as the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights will take the ball possession.
Now, chance for the Ateneo again. Now Bautista handing the ball, passes the up. Claro, heavily guarded here, and a steal from the side of the Greyhounds. Galano, 20 seconds to shoot, but a whistle foul there. 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Nasa penalty na nga po ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, still ball possession of the Greyhounds here. 18 seconds to shoot. Alano to inbound. Again, 18 seconds to shoot here for the UNC Greyhounds. Alano. Passes or a steal from the side of the Golden Knights. Nakakagawa ng bola dito, Galano. And Bautista struggling to get that ball. Ayaw pang bitawan itong ball lang ito.
Now, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang ball possession. Now, ball possession dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Kaagawan nga dito ng bola yung ating Ateneo and UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, shoutout tayo sa ating online viewers. We have Casey Anchoquia, of course, JR Dacoro, Paul Sangalang, Jude Tino, Mi Ju, and Jasmine Pino. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok.
Yes, shoutout din naman natin itong si John Basales. Kumusta ka na po? Na nanonood din sa atin ng live. Sana maayos ka pong nanonood ng matchup ng Ateneo Golden Knights at ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, 54-45. 9-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Claro on the free throw line. No good on that first attempt.
Now, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HGP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated.
Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 8 now, Comprado. Passes to Galano. Now, Greyhounds. May 10 puntos na hinahabol dito. Comprado to Galano. 13 seconds, three-pointer. No good. Now Ateneo on the run here. Tries for three. A good three-point shot coming from jersey number 8, Bilano ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. As you can see on that quick replay, napakaganda. Na-tres galing kay Bilano.
Now, ball possession of the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Jersey number 0, back to 8. Tries for the 3. No good on that attempt. And defensive rebound by Claro. And the whistle here. Same ball possession for the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Well, jersey number 23 and jersey number 39 checked in for the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, last 1 minute and 39 seconds para sa ating third quarter. 58-45 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, hihirapan pa rin itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Nagkakaintan na nga itong ating mga players. Now, ball possession of the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 12 to inbound Sarmiento.
Now, Belano nagtawid ng bola, looking for a good pass. Now 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14 trying to go to the inside. Now Belano tries for the 3, and that's good. Back-to-back 3 points ang atin sa atin ni Belano all the way from the Junior Golden Knights. Napakagandang press by Belano.
Yes.
Now,
dahil nga dyan, Jasper, napalaki na ulit ang kalamangan dito ng ating Golden Knights. 1 minute para sa ating oras dito sa ating third quarter. Now, the UNC Greyhounds still struggling to get a point here sa ating third quarter. 20 seconds to shoot here. Amador. Traveling violation. One player of the UNC Greyhounds is down. Now, let's see. Jersey number 28.
Let's see here what happened to jersey number 18 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Yes,
Down dito sa ating hard court.
That's menace of the UNC Greyhounds. Last 45 seconds of our third quarter, 61-45. Itong ating UNC Greyhounds napako sa 45 points. Mukhang magpapahinga muna itong si Menes.
45 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayan. While waiting sa ating decision, shout out tayo dito sa ating live viewers. We have Leia Velasco, Gina Cruz, Emmanuel Galang, John Rafael, and Joaquin Borromeo. Salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtutok at patuloy na pagsubaybay dito sa ating live coverage dito sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Hatid sa inyo ng One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayan, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glafa Construction, ECLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bukal coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Nandyan din yung Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and the NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta dito sa ating liga.
Yes, and of course, dito sa pagtapos ng ating third quarter, napalaki na po ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang kanilang kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds. 61-45. The Greyhounds still struggling to get a point here. Pero itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights patuloy pa rin sa pag-arangkada with the help of 2 straight 3-point shot ni Bilano ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see after this decision now the referees kung ano kayang magiging adjustment nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito, because we're going down to the last quarter of the game. Last 45 seconds na lamang meron tayo sa ating third quarter. Now we're still waiting for the decision of the officials.
Well, 16 points ang hinahabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, dito sa ating replay, we can see here na nag-lock yung paa ng ating players. Kaya naman na bumagsak itong si Menes sa ating hard court.
No. The officials still discussing about the last sequence. Shoutout tayo dito kay Mark Christian Amante, kay Akim Aransley, Casey Antiqua, yan, Casey Anchokya, kay Rafael Jose Israel, Joaquin Borromeo, kay Lois Papa, at kay Richie Santa Rosa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, 45 seconds remaining. 61-45. And also, shoutout kay John Basales na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Sana maayos po kayong nanonood ngayong gabing ito.
Alright, 45 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 16 points lead by the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito ng UNC Greyhounds para mabawi yung kalamangan ng Ateneo. And syempre meron pa tayo in fourth and last quarter. Ayan, titingnan din natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang momentum dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights or mababawi ito ng UNC Greyhounds at sila naman yung uumento or magkakaroon ng momentum dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, tutok lamang kayo dito sa ating live coverage dahil marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari. Napakagandang aksyon. Ngayon, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating third quarter, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 10 goes to the inside. No good on that attempt and defensive rebound by jersey number 49.
No. The Greyhounds still struggling to get a point here.
Ayun na nga natin. Kitang-kita natin dito sa ating screen. We have here jersey number 24, Sinabayan. Sinabayan ni jersey number 20 of the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 39 rather of the Junior Golden Knights.
Yes.
What a block, pero foul yon. Shooting foul.
Now, Gurubat failed on his first attempt on the free throw line. Now, he will try again for the second time. That's good. Claro or Sarmiento will be back on the court for the Ateneo Golden Knights. 23 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Last ball possession here. Now, Belano. The jersey number 23 going inside. Passes on the outside. Now, 11 seconds. Belano on the corner for 3. No good.
Now, still defensive rebound by the Greyhounds. 1 second to shoot. 1 second to shoot. And that's good. Buzzer beater. Saktong-sakto. Yung puntos na yon ng UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang buzzer beater. Saktong-sakto. Tingnan natin dito sa ating screen. We have jersey number 23 goes to the inside and napakagandang aksyon sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. And that's it for the third quarter of this ball game. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter. Brought to you by One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back on the ball game. This is the fourth and final quarter of the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights. 61-48 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila. And also comment sa ating third quarter kung saan lahat ng players itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, lahat nagpakitang gilas, most especially kay Belano na talagang nag-stand out sa quarter na yun. And now, for the side of the UNC Greyhounds, Galano, isa pa rin sa mga nagbubuhat dito ng team UNC Greyhounds. And the whistle foul there. Maagang foul para dito sa ating fourth quarter.
2 free throws for jersey number 24 of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, shoutout ulit tayo din dito sa ating online viewers. We have the King Olympians. Ayan, Assistant Coach King Arvin Sardino. Happy viewing po. Also, we have John Narvaez, Trisha Lorin, and Lizelle Inigo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtutok at pagsubaybay simula sa ating first quarter hanggang dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now,
15 seconds to shoot here. Traveling violation committed by jersey number 23 of the Golden Knights, Briones. Turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Galano ngayon may hawak ng bola.
Now, jersey number 17 for 3. Napakagandang 3 points. Di man lang sumabit dun sa ating ring talagang perfect 3 by jersey number 17 of the Greyhounds. Ayan, a steal again by jersey number 17. Back-to-back points for jersey number 17 of the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang puntos. Back-to-back points.
Yes, Samurin, nag-iinit dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now, Ateneo babawi with a 3-point shot coming from Pentecostes. Bawian lang to ng puntos para sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. Lahat na talagang gumagalaw because this is their last chance to get on the game this quarter. At ang ating UNC Greyhounds, meron sila pang chance para maibaba ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's hear it from Rain. Hi Rain, any updates?
Jasper and the Greyhounds are indeed not giving up and are finding ways to attack and defend in the hardcourt. During huddle, they were told to continue tightening their defense, for it was giving the opponent a hard time to score. With their efforts still, they weren't able to take the lead against the Knights. But bit by bit, they're adjusting to the opponent's pace. They just have to play smarter and find ways to score, and at the same time prevent the Knights in making the basket. With the third quarter ending, the Greyhounds are still behind and need to double their efforts. And with the final quarter happening, they are eager to make the most out of it. Kaya naman abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV. Mika, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update para naman sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Ayun na nga, titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila para lipat yung momentum dito sa ating fourth quarter sa kanilang team. Ayun na nga, tumawag na nga sila dito ng timeout. Titingnan natin kung paano nila i-hold yung momentum ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights and paano rin sila o-aumento dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, humingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Liz. Hi Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Aspirations of glory, every prayer from the bench of the Greyhounds and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights had hoop triumphs, striving for greatness. During the third quarter, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights established paint dominance, ruling the court with authority. Now that we are down to the final quarter, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are more determined to clinch the game, pouring their hearts out for this quarter. Given the great showcase of unique style and precision in court, the question remains, will the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights will finally have a sweet taste of victory this season? Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Dezina Bala reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga, dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, nasa kanila yung momentum simula pa nung ating first quarter up until the last quarter of this matchup against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, they are really determined to keep it that way. At hindi nga sila papayag dito na malamangan sila ng ating UNC Greyhounds. So they are really doing their best to get a point here. Kaya naman, aabangan natin sa continuation ng ating fourth quarter, ano pa yung gagawin ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights para naman mapapanatili yung momentum sa kanilang side at hindi mahayaan na mabawasan yung kalamangan nila against the UNC Greyhounds. But on the other side, itong ating UNC Greyhounds, kailangan lang nila ng konting push because they can really do it with the players like Galano, Alano, and other members of the UNC Greyhounds. They can really do it. They just need to communicate with each other, gawan ng magandang play ang kada isa, and they can really lessen that gap against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman kaabang-abang po talaga itong ating last quarter of the game.
And as we can see here din sa ating Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium, talaga namang binuboost ng supporters ng UNC Greyhounds yung kanilang team para naman makabawi dito sa ating fourth and last quarter with 8 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Napakahaba pa niyan din and marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Napakagandang moral boost ang ginagawa dito ng UNC community para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Well, while waiting for the decision of our referees, for our officials. Pasalamatan ulit natin din ang ating walang sawang supporters dito sa ating liga. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Mo & Sons Trading and Industries. Siyempre, nandiyan din ang Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Katie Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga Travel and Tours, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Ender Firing Range, and of course, Bukal coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Ayun din, kita nga natin dito sa ating gymnasium ay gumanti na rin yung Ateneo de Naga University community, yung Ateneo community dito sa pag-boost ng moral nitong mga players natin.
Now, isa din talagang factor yung suporta ng mga komunidad ng Ateneo and UNC cheering for their team. And now with the 8 minutes and 18 seconds remaining, 67-54.
Ayan din at nadagdagan nga dito ng puntos itong UNC Greyhounds upon that replay na ginawa ng ating officials. Nadagdagan po ng isang puntos itong UNC Greyhounds. Now, pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth quarter, ball possession of the Junior Greyhounds.
Now, 18 seconds to shoot. Alano, Di Diretso, but still on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, ready to get on the lead. Now, a long pass to jersey number 17 now, struggling to get that ball. And the ball possession stays on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 15 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 17 inbounding that ball, Pilapil. Now passes here. Jersey number 9 for a clean basket. Pentecostes getting that 3-point shot for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Napakagandang tres by jersey number 9 for the Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 17 for the Junior Greyhounds going inside and basket, 2 points for the Greyhounds.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort now. Jersey number 17, 16 seconds to shoot here, Belano. Passes to jersey number 17. Steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, ball possession of them. And nabitawan dito yung bola ni jersey number 0 while driving to the inside. And ball possession will go to the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Belano. 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Passes now to Pilapil. 14 seconds to shoot. Belano back to Pilapil. Tries for 3. No good. Now, chance for the UNC Greyhounds here.
Now, nagmamadali. Jersey number 23, Galano for the Greyhounds. Now, looking for a good pass. And a traveling violation by Galano.
Grabe na yung depensang pinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi talaga nila hinahayaan yung may hawak ng bola na makatawid. And also to get a point, 70-56, 26-point lead.
14 points lead rather.
Yes, 14 points.
The Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Jersey number 23, Galano. Tries for the 3, no good on that attempt. And a rebound by Claro. Defensive rebound by the Junior Golden Knights. Now,
Ateneo on the run. 15 seconds to shoot here. Claro. Ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Still 70-56 on our scoreboard.
6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Well, Tin, itong natitirang 6 minutes, very crucial na to for this both teams. Well, we can see here kung makakabawi ba ang UNC Greyhounds or magtutuloy-tuloy yung momentum nitong Junior Golden Knights. Now, Belano tries for the 3 and that's good! Napakagandang press by Belano for the Junior Golden Knights. Well, naitaas na nga nila yung kalamangan dito by 17 points.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds, kailangan ng gumawa ng paraan dito. 10 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 17 struggling with the defense of the Golden Knights. Loses the ball. So another turnover. Sinasabi pa lang natin kanina na very crucial na yung magka-error dito and turnover. Pero the UNC Greyhounds still struggling with that defense and offense of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, 18 seconds to shoot here. Belano passes now on his teammates. Belano, save that ball. Claro on the inside, getting a point again and adjusting that lead against the UNC Greyhounds.
Back-to-back points at isa atin ng Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 2 on the outside, 2 on the inside with that roll and 2 points by jersey number 2 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, kailangan lang nila dito makagawa ng puntos ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Surely, kailangan nilang makapuntos. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, Belano, 10 seconds to shoot here, going inside, passes. Pero, another turnover.
Napalakas doon yung pasa ni Belano.
This is a chance for the Greyhounds to convert a point here now and to lessen that gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Alano passes to Galano. Reyes ngayon may hawak ng bola. 16 seconds to shoot. They're waiting, making sure of that ball possession. Tries for 3. That's good. Para dito kay Cobrado. Ito yung kailangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Hindi dapat magmadali. And make sure na yung bolang hawak nila talagang mako-convert into points. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights.
A steal by the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang back-to-back ball possession dito. Well, a steal din by Belano on the outside. Now 14 tries for the 3. And that's good din. Napakagandang 3 points by jersey number 14 of the Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, grabe. Magpaula ng 3-pointers. Itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights courtesy to Solomon. Now, babawi ang UNC Greyhounds. No good. And nagkakagawa ng bola. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 17 tries. No good.
Ayan, we can see here din na another player, Galano, is down on the floor.
Galano, one of the key players of the UNC Greyhounds. On the sprain. 78-61, last 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining para sa ating last quarter nitong magandang bakbakan ng Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, as we can see, Tin, talagang sinisecure ng dalawang teams na ito yung bola. They are securing their shots with the points dito sa ating very crucial quarter, the fourth and last quarter with 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining dito sa ating game clock. Now, magandang aksyon na yung huling pinakita sa atin ng UNC Greyhounds doon sa kanilang bawing 3 points. Napakaganda, and of course yung ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights nagpaulan ng 3 points back-to-back. Belano and jersey number 14 talaga namang nagpapatuloy dito yung kanilang momentum dito sa fourth and last quarter. Well, 78-61.
Yes, at ngayon sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth quarter, walang Galano para sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. What will be the adjustment of the coaching staff of the UNC Greyhounds? Nawala ngayon si Galano, one of the key players of the UNC Greyhounds. Now ball possession of the Golden Knights. Belano passes now to jersey number 40 to try. No good. Now Greyhounds on the run here. Jersey number 17. 18 seconds to shoot. Alano tries for 3. That's good.
Another bawi by the UNC Junior Greyhounds dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Napakagandang tres at sa atin ni Alano. Now, on the corner, jersey number 12, Belano fires for 3, no good on that attempt.
Now,
And a defensive rebound by the Greyhounds. Now, nag-agawan ng bola. Nakuha yan ni jersey number 17 of the Junior Greyhounds. Golden Knights, rather. Now, a steal by Alano from the UNC Greyhounds with that step. Napakaganda, no good in that attempt. And a follow-up shot with the whistle. Ayan, napakagandang follow-up shot dito ni jersey number 8 of the UNC Greyhounds. With that follow-up, nakapasok. Hindi nakapasok yung shot na yun, pero may 2 free throws siya dito.
yes. Now, no good on that first attempt of Comprado. 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating last quarter. 78-64 sa ating scoreboard. Now, let's see on that second attempt of Comprado. Wala pa rin. Now, Claro with that rebound. Ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sa talyo na patawag na nga ng timeout itong ating UNC Greyhounds. And yan, Jasper, shoutout naman natin ng ating live audience dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo Gymnasium. Shoutout tayo dito kay Cyber Rosales, kay IC Cortez at kay Rick Puerta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkandabay. Now, the UNC Greyhounds, ibang-iba pa rin talaga yung laro nila dito. At they're still struggling para maging maganda yung kanilang mga plays. Well, on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, grabe yung mga puntos na ibinibigay nila dito. Kung kaya napalaki na nga ang kalamangan nila dito sa ating fourth quarter with the 3-point shots coming from the players of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang bigay todo para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo this elimination round of Bukal Season 6.
Ayan, shoutout din tayo dito sa ating Facebook Live viewers. We have Juvie, Jojo Cortero, Nathaniel Ross, Edmond Florin, and of course, Angel Balmes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay at patuloy na pagtutok dito sa ating live coverage. Hatid sa inyo yan ng One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, back to the ball game. Belano ngayon ang nagtawid ng bola for the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 17 back to Belano. Claro, bantay sarado. Now Belano goes to 17. No, walang bantay, and that's good. 3 points by jersey number 17 for the Junior Golden Knights. Now,
yes. Last 2 minutes na nga ng bakbakang UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. And at this point, the Ateneo Golden Knights, paulan pa rin ang paulan ng putos dito. And let's see, ang kailangan na lang gawin dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds is mabawasan yung kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Because at this point, 1 minute and 47 seconds with 81-64. Medyo mahirap ng habulin. Pero kailangan gawa ng paraan itong ating UNC Greyhounds.
ayan, at patuloy pa rin sinusuportahan ng Ateneo community. Itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Well, as we can see, yung oras is medyo gabi na. Pero yung kanilang energy dito, hype up pa rin yung kanilang energy. And yun na nga, patuloy nilang binuboost yung moral ng ating mga players dito. Whistle here. And then 2 free throws for the Junior Greyhounds. Ayan, jersey number 8 standing on the free throw line for that 2 free throws. 1 minute and 30 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa ating game clock with the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights leading kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, that's good for that first attempt. No good, rather, on that first attempt by jersey number 8. of the UNC Greyhounds. Now for his second attempt. That's good. 65-81 in favor of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights. Melano ngayon ang nagdadala ng bola, looking for a good pass. Now, 39. Passes to jersey number 9, tries for 3, no good. And the offensive rebound by jersey number 19. That's good for jersey number 39. Napakagandang follow-up dito.
Yan nga, Jasper, a minute and 15 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. 83-65 still in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. At sunod-sunod pa rin yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. At kahit nga patapos ng ating oras para sa matchup na ito, hindi pa rin naging complacent itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, which is very good para sa lahat ng teams ng ating mga basketball teams dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. Kaya naman, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating labanan ng ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights, titingnan natin kung mababawasan nga ba ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Last 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating game clock. Lamang pa rin po ang Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, titingnan natin dito sa huling aksyon kung ano pa yung ipapakitang aksyon sa atin nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Masayang-masaya na ang ating crowd dito sa side or sa bleachers ng Ateneo Dinaga. Napakagandang laban ang hatid sa atin ng dalawang koponan na ito. And of course, patuloy po kaming maghahatid sa inyo ng top tier basketball action. Dito lamang yan sa Bukal Season 6.
Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 16 now. Seconds to shoot for the side of the Greyhounds.
16, jersey number 16 to inbound. Now passes to jersey number 8. And a steal here. No good on that attempt. Now Belano securing the ball. Last 1 minute of the fourth and last quarter. Now jersey number 39 goes to the inside. And a steal with a whistle here. Ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 39 with that foul.
54 seconds remaining. 83-65 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. No good pa rin para dito sa ating Greyhounds.
Now, Claro passes to Belano. 35 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Claro pushes to the inside, passes to 39 on the outside. Now, jersey number 17, a steal here by the Greyhounds. 17 seconds remaining sa ating game clock and out of bounds. Same ball possession for the UNC Greyhounds. 14 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Talaga namang napakagandang aksyon ang ating sa atin in that last sequence ng ating ball game. Belano is always securing the ball with that rebound. 14, another 2 points hatid sa atin in jersey number 14 of the Junior Golden Knights. And that's it. That's the end of our ball game dito sa last game ng Bukal Season 6 ngayong araw. Ayan, congratulations to the Ateneo Dinaga University Junior Golden Knights for winning this ball game sa kanilang 20 points lead kontra dito sa UNC Junior Greyhounds. Ayan, napakagandang aksyon at patuloy po kaming maghahatid sa inyo ng top tier basketball action. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil sa pagbabalik namin ay ipapakilala na namin ang best player of the game. This is Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Bicolania, it was a breathtaking game for the supporters, players, and coaches. Both of the teams showed an explosive offense, just like a fireworks show lighting up the court, giving us a final score of 85-65 in favor of Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. In this game, the best player of the game is brought to you by Ateneo Dinaga University, One Big Fight. The best player of the game is none other than Seth Isaiah Belano with 9 points, 4 rebounds, and 7 assists. Firstly, of course, congratulations, Seth. You are the best player of the game. So, Seth, kwento mo naman sa amin kung paano kayo nagtulungan sa hardcourt.
Unang-una po, nagtiwala lang po kami sa coach namin, sa teammates, and yung mga game plan po, sinunod lang namin. And all out po sa defense kasi walang malas po sa depensa. Tulad ng sabi ni Coach Gab sa amin, depensa lang. Hanggat hindi pa namin nakukuha yung defensive rebounds, di pa tapos yung aming pagdedepensa.
And of course, ano naman ang mga mensahe mo sa mga sumusuporta at iniidolo ka sa larangan ng basketball?
Maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa Ateneo Cavalry, sa coaches namin, and sa family ko, sa lahat ng supporters ng Adno community. Salamat po.
Alright, baka may gusto kang i-shout out sa puntong ito.
Shout out po sa pamilya ko na nanonood ng live and sa mga ibang relatives po namin. Shout out po sa inyo.
Alright, once again, congratulations, Seth, the best player of the game. Bicolania, this is Bukal Season 6 for Future Rise. This is Dizina Bala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
And that's it. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng ating courtside reporter na si Les. And of course, the Ateneo Dinaga University One Big Fight. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa tumutok sa ating live coverage simula sa ating first quarter hanggang dito sa ating fourth and last quarter.
Ayan nga, Jasper, napakaganda po ng performance na nakita natin dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Again, congratulations to Ateneo Golden Knights para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo ngayong season na ito. And of course, abangan na po natin ang lahat ng games natin bukas. Ako pa rin po ang inyong commentator. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Jasper Abante. And this is Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.